Amazon FBA versus Amazon FBM. What is each of those and which one works better? So Amazon FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon FBM is fulfillment by merchant. Fulfillment by Amazon means that you're sending all of your inventory into an Amazon FBA warehouse where they take care of the storage, fulfillment, and customer service. Whereas FBM is when you're shipping the items directly to the customer. So you're taking care of the storing your items, you're taking care of the customer service, and more importantly, you're taking care of the shipping, which is not necessarily fun. And that's why I personally recommend FBA, but I'll go into why FBA actually works better than FBM. So the main reason that FBA works better than FBM is because you are having the Prime badge right beside your listing. Because Amazon is taking care of the fulfillment, they are able to offer Prime free 2-day shipping. So anyone who's a Prime member will get free 2-day shipping when they order your item. Whereas when you're doing that FBM, you will not get that. The customer will not receive free 2-day shipping, and it could take significantly longer, and they're going to be way less likely to purchase from an FBM listing in comparison to an FBA listing. So if you want to sell more items on Amazon, then the FBA program is definitely worth it. The reason being is you get the Prime badge, plus Amazon takes care of the storage and customer service. So you don't have to have a warehouse, you don't have to have a huge garage, or you don't have to have storage lockers, because you send all your inventory into Amazon where they can take care of all of that for you. So that's a huge perk with using the FBA program, is not only do they take care of the storage, customer service, and fulfillment, but they also allow you to not have to go and get a warehouse or spend extra money on other things like storage lockers or a bigger house because it has a bigger garage or something like that. So in closing, if you are going to sell on Amazon, look into using the Fulfillment by Amazon program. You will sell a lot more that way, and you'll make a lot more money that way, and it will allow you to be more hands-off on the business because you don't have to be shipping out items every day to your customers, because Amazon's going to take care of that for you when you use the Fulfillment by Amazon program.